Metadata Utility, how to rename different windows, buttons, field names, and reports. Here we have an example of one of the features in Metadata Utility, lookup usage. And for this example, we're going to rename lookup usage to read lookup usage W. From the main switchboard, click on Maintenance Switchboard, followed by Lookup Maintenance Switchboard, followed by clicking on Object and Caption Management Switchboard, followed by clicking on Object Management. This will open up the main Object Management window. Once opened, simply select, in this particular case, Lookup Usage, and click on the checkbox next to that record to activate it. Once activated, simply click on Close. You go back to Metadata Utility and launch then in Metadata Utility the following Caption Management option, which will open up the Caption Management window. In this particular case, we will see we have enabled lookup usage for management. However, none of the fields are marked as active, and we just want to change the form caption to read lookup usage W. Therefore, we go to that specific entry and click on Active to activate it. And once that it has been clicked and activated, simply click on the Close button and go back to Metadata Utility and launch the lookup usage pool again. And now it will show on the title Lookup Usage W. This is a quick example how to manage and renaming, in this particular case, the title of a feature in Metadata Utility. We have detailed videos already in which we show how to manage, how to use the caption management, and how to use the object management to change, rename, even change the language within Metadata Utilities, different features to customize the application for ease of use for the user. But this was a quick review, step by step, very briefly, how to get a desired result. For detailed information on this topic, how to rename or change language within the application, we welcome our users to click on those applicable videos in which we dive into detailed information, as well as for any other information to show users all the other functionalities and built-in features that Metadata Utility offers. We welcome our users to also click on those videos, as well as to visit on our website, where we have detailed information, step-by-step instructions, as well as detailed FAQ, how-to, and troubleshooting sections on the different built-in functionalities that Metadata Utility offers. all of this information available at our website at metadatautility.com. We thank you for watching.